I'm That Drywall Guy, Myron Ferguson. This wall has already been hung, but I just want to talk a little bit about how to hang drywall on this wall. This is a 12-foot long wall, 12-foot piece of drywall was used. That is difficult for somebody working alone to actually lift up into place, hold it, and fasten it. But I'm going to show you how maybe it's possible with an 8-footer. So let's try it. The 8-footer is really not that heavy. I'm able to lift it and put it right up in that corner, but I really need both hands to hold it. So I don't have an extra pair of hands to actually fasten it with. So even though I can lift it, put it in position, actually hanging it, fastening it is going to be too difficult. Let me show you an easier way to hang this wall. I'm going to use the HangPro Drywall Lift for walls. And this could be used for any length piece of drywall up to 16 feet long. Simply roll it up to the panel, lift one end just a few inches, and lean it against the cradle. Now as I'm winching it up, as I get closer to the top, I can start making an adjustment because I actually want to get it right into that corner. So the front rollers allow me to just move and adjust it right into that corner, nice and tight. Now, I just let go, get my screw gun, and fasten this piece of drywall.